Good morning, everyone. Today I decided that I'm going to clean my dirty little room. I haven't cleaned my room in about a month, so it's pretty messy. The main things that are all over the place is just clothes. So gonna get down and dirty, clean that. Keep in mind I share a room with my sister right now, so we have a bed kind of just in the middle of the room. But yeah, I'm gonna get down, clean the room. Hopefully it doesn't take too long, and I'm gonna time lapse it for you guys so you guys can see. I hope this isn't a boring video for you guys. I don't know, maybe it might be satisfying to see me clean the room. I don't know. Let's get started.
Alright, so the very first thing I decided to do was my wall because I thought that would be the easiest. I'm just taking down all of my stains and I'm actually going to put them in storage because I don't want them in my room right now. And instead of leaving the wall completely blank, I decided to take my lettering thing and I decided to put the words Black Lives Matter. The next thing I'm doing is I'm just going to wipe down my cubicles because they were very, very dusty right here under my television. I'm just wiping it down with some 409, trying to clean it all off and make it all clear. I have a problem with having a lot of clutter, a lot of little small things, and not really having a place to put them, which is why there's just a lot of things everywhere. What I'm doing here is I am going under my bed and just making sure that all of the shoes that are under there are in their right little cubbies and they fit in there perfectly. The next thing I did was I started folding up all of my clothes. All of these clothes were washed a couple of days before I started folding them. I just never folded them. So as you can see, I have a little pink basket with all of my underwear and socks, and then everything else I'm folding up. Because in my closet, I don't have any hanging space, so I fold everything. It takes a little longer, but I like the way my closet is set up. As you can see, I have cubicles in there, and each kind of style of clothes has their own cube. Like for example, I have basketball shorts in one, basketball shirts in one, regular shirts, jeans, sweats, leggings, all types of things like that. I have different cubbies for each different type of clothing.
Hey guys. Okay, funny story. Hear me out. I started cleaning my room the other day, and I had things to do, like play basketball. Anyway, I had to stop, obviously, and I didn't clean my room yesterday because yesterday was the 4th of July, and I wasn't home to be able to clean up. Today, I'm going to continue this time-lapse video of me cleaning my room. Obviously, as you can see, I cleaned off my bed just a little bit only because I needed to be able to sleep. Yeah, everything else is about the same on the messy scale. So I'm gonna get back into it today and hopefully we can finish this room. I need some motivation because I hate cleaning. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, now that I'm back, I am just going over whatever else was left on my bed that I didn't finish up, and then I'm going to be making my bed. So I don't know why, but I do have a lot of different blankets, but I only use one every single night. I use that big gray one that you guys saw me folding up in the very beginning. Everything else I don't use. And there's my cat. Here is my sister's bed. Her bed usually is not this messy because she usually puts it up every day. But it's a little messy because I was just going through and cleaning up everything and kind of throwing whatever was hers onto that bed just so that I can finish clearing off my own. So now I'm just going over and cleaning up her bed, folding up her clothes, and putting her bed up so it's out of the way. The next thing I did was my desk. My desk was fairly cluttered with a whole bunch of things, as you can see. And like I said a little earlier, I have a problem with clutter. Trying to get better with that, trying to, get rid of some of the things that I really, really don't need. Anyway, I kind of cleared off my calendar thing by taking off all of the pictures that were up there and just leaving a few. The next thing I'm doing is, now that I cleaned off the floor already, after I cleaned off my desk and under my desk, there was a whole bunch of things on the floor again. So I'm going through all of that and going through my basketball bag, just kind of cleaning up everything else that was left on the floor. So now that I cleaned up everything off the floor, the bed is a mess again. And usually that's how the process goes. When I clean up my room, clean up my bed, the floor gets a mess, clean up the floor, the bed gets a mess again, and I keep going back and forth until everything's completely cleaned. This next thing I'm doing is I'm taking off all these yearbooks from the top shelf and I'm moving my college books up there. I don't really read the college books anymore, but I do want to keep them just in case I want to, learn a little bit more or relearn something. I'm moving all of my yearbooks into these cute little storage bins and putting them up into my closet because I don't look at those ever. The very, very last thing I'm doing is just cleaning up the floor and vacuuming. I usually always put a carpet scent thing on the floor first and then I vacuum, just to make my room smell a little bit better. And after I'm done cleaning the carpet, I am all done.
All right, after 2 days and about 5.5 hours, because I take my time, I have finally finished my room. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what other kind of videos I should do, because this was a spontaneous video. I wasn't really planning to do this, but I figured I've seen it before, so might as well try it myself. Leave your comments down below. Follow my Instagram, follow my Snapchat, follow my Twitter, follow me on TikTok. Follow me everywhere, because why not? And I follow back sometimes. Okay. This video is over. Bye.